On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated
I.
What's going on in Cheezy's garage today, you wondering? Or maybe not. I'm going to tell you anyway. We have an EGM X1 dash camera, 4K UHD resolution with an f1.8 aperture, Wi-Fi connection, you can connect up to your smartphone if you'd like, and 170 degree wide angle lens. It is available in X1 Pro dual channel. This also has motion detection and park monitoring. And I think motion if something goes in front of it. So we'll try all this out. Got a decent amount of weight. This is a 4K camera. So that mounts directly to your windshield. I always like the wide angles, especially when you have the high definition. Hopefully it has a good mic. Has a panel tool. 5 volt 200 milliamp adapter. They give you a SD adapter to micro SD. They also give you a USB to micro SD adapter. There's another sticker for the back where it goes to your windshield. This one comes with a 64 gig card. A user's manual, and it looks like a USB connector to connect up if you want to hook it to your laptop. Alright, let's get her hooked up. Is there a piece of plastic over this? Yes, there is. Don't forget to take that off. Don't mind my messy garage if it's the first time you've seen my videos. I always try to get it as close to center as possible. I guess that's not too bad. You're not supposed to watch it while you drive down a road, but when you sit and park, you'll want to be able to see it enough. Let's see what it does. Okay. Time zone, miles per hour, and we're off. I don't really need much video of the sky, and if you show too much of the sky, sometimes it'll darken the lower part. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Microphone is on. 3 seconds, I'm going to have to figure out what they are. Loop recording is 3 minutes. See if I get into the settings. H264. Let's see if there's a 265. Yep, there is an H265. I prefer H265. I think it has a better compression, personally. 4K 2160. 3-minute loop record. I'll go to 5 minute. Format SD card. Probably should do it straight off, so let's do it. And it retained our settings. Microphone is on. Motion detection is off. G sensor. I usually turn that off. These cars ride rough, just like a truck. Wi-Fi is off. GPS is on. Wi-Fi app. What's that? Oh, that's good. We'll set that up too. Road cam. Let's do the rest of these. GPS, speed unit, miles per hour, frequency 50 hertz, screensaver off, sound, keytone on, boot sound on, yep. Language, English. Alright, set time. We'll get back to the app later. Set time. License plate number. I don't need that. Stamp. Time and date is okay. GPS stamp I don't want, because I'm going to use this video in my videos, so this I don't want on. License plate stamp off. Speed stamp, I don't need that. Parking mode off. Hardware kit not detected. Oh, that's right. You need a hardwired kit for parking mode. Parking time, always. Let's try that. I don't know if it'll be allowed without the kit. Playback. Okay. We're all the way around to the end. Factory reset. No. About. So this is the EGM X1. September 27th, 2021 was the most recent. That's the standard password for the Wi-Fi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're back to resolution. Make sure this is as level as possible, alright. Looks pretty good. Oh yeah, wow, look at that. So it is removable. I like the view. All you gotta do is run this wire around and we'll take it for a test drive. Let's test this camera out and see how it does at night. Ooh, it's dark. Let's start up nice and quick. I sure wish they sent that reverse camera. I may have to purchase one. That tire noise. So I guess that's enough headlights for a test. Don't try this at home. I'm a trained professional on YouTube. You want to see how dark it is? This is how dark it is. It's that dark. So I am pretty happy with the result of this camera. The video quality seems pretty excellent and I'm rendering this in 4K and uploading in 4K so you can see exactly what it'll do. The night shots were really good. The audio is decent. It's not great, but for for a dash cam, it's pretty good. So I think it's a keeper.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.